विक्रम राठौर की अरेस्ट ने इंटायर सिटी को हिला दिया। लोग फाइनली बिलीव करने लगे कि जस्टिस हैड बीन सर्व। न्यूज चैनल्स ने इसे बिगेस्ट क्राइम एक्सपोजर कहा जो सालों में नहीं हुआ। आईपीएस ऑफिसर रिया वर्मा became a symbol of courage and honesty. For a few days, everything felt calm, but Riya knew something was still not right. One evening, while reviewing Vikram Rathor's case files in her office, she noticed something unusual. Several important documents were missing. Riya's eyes narrowed. ये काम अंदर का है, she whispered. Only a few trusted officers had access to those files. She immediately called Inspector Arjun Singh. Arjun, someone from inside the department is helping these criminals, Riya said seriously. Arjun was shocked. लेकिन कौन हो सकता है? Riya didn't answer. She was already thinking ahead. The next day, she secretly started observing everyone in the police department. She didn't trust anyone completely now. Days passed. Then one night, Riya received another anonymous message. Trust no one. The enemy is closer than you think. This time, the message also included a location, an old abandoned warehouse on the outskirts of the city. Riya decided to go alone. Late at night, she reached the warehouse quietly. The area was dark and silent. Broken walls, rusted gates, and a cold wind made the place even more dangerous. As she stepped inside, she heard voices. Riya carefully moved forward and hid behind a pillar. Inside, she saw something shocking. A group of criminals were talking about restarting their illegal operations, and standing with them was Inspector Arjun Singh. Riya's heart skipped a beat. Impossible, she whispered. Arjun was calmly talking to the criminals. Riya thinks everything is over, he said with a smirk. But this city still belongs to us. Riya felt betrayed. The man she trusted the most was the real traitor. Suddenly, Riya stepped forward. Game over, Arjun. Everyone turned in shock. Arjun's face changed for a moment, but then he smiled. So you finally figured it out. Riya pointed her gun firmly. तुमने अपने फर्ज को बेच दिया, Arjun. Arjun laughed. Power matters, Riya, not honesty. At that moment, police sirens echoed outside. Arjun looked confused. Riya smiled slightly. You really thought I came alone? Within seconds, a special police team surrounded the warehouse. The criminals tried to escape, but it was too late. Arjun Singh was arrested. This time, the betrayal hurt more than any enemy. The next morning, the entire city was shocked again. A police officer involved in crime, but people also felt proud. Because once again, Riya Verma chose truth over trust. Later, in the market, Kamlabai looked at Riya with proud eyes. You didn't just fight criminals, you fought betrayal too, she said softly. Riya smiled. Justice doesn't stop, no matter how close the enemy is. The fight was never just about crime, it was about truth. And Riya was ready for whatever comes next.